Okay, thank you, members. Welcome to the VR panel meeting. Moving on to the agenda. Agenda item 1, are there any declarations of interest, please?
Yeah, I can see Mr. Evans has his hand up, Mark.
Yeah, I
Richard?
got a declaration, Mark. It's a personal and prejudicial one. It's in respect of the last application of Appendix 5. And I leave the meeting for that application, and Mr. Andy Wilkins will take members through that application after I've left.
Thank you, Rich. Item 2, which is to elect the chair of the panel for municipal year 2025-26. Are there any nominations, please?
I'd like to nominate Councillor Martin Ashford to that position, Mark.
Thank
I'll
you.
second that, Mark.
Thank you, members. I'll pass over to the chair, Councillor Ashford. Thanks.
Thank you very much, members, for the nomination. Much appreciated. Right, so this is going to be hopefully fairly productive and not too long a meeting. First of all, do we have any nominations for the vice chair, please?
I propose Councillor Webber.
I will happily second that.
Okay, thank you very much, members, and I take the opportunity to welcome Councillor Ashford in his first meeting as chair.
Thank you. So Councillor Webber is duly nominated as the vice chair for this year. So we then move on to the minutes of the previous meeting.
I'm happy to move those minutes, Chair, subject to any questions from any other members.
Happy to second, Chair.
Excellent. Yes, I did look through them. I didn't see anything particularly problematic with them myself, although obviously I wasn't at that meeting. So they are duly passed and recorded as sound minutes. Right, let's have a look. We're now moving over, I believe, to the report from Richard.
We need to move the resolution first, Chair,
Sorry, I do apologise.
exclude the press and public, and I'm happy to move the necessary resolution contained in the report.
Second, Chair.